Okay, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RFMK. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one a couple times before, but it has been a while and I don't know what's been going on. I don't really care, to be honest, because at the end of the day, who really cares? All that matters is the direction of the price and the volume, and this one has exploded, obviously both price-wise and volume-wise. Maybe there was a press release or a filing or something, I have no idea, but regardless, chart has definitely come back to life after this explosive move here, and then retesting these previous lows. It's really bounced nice. So I want to get things updated here from a technical perspective, and that way everybody's got an idea of what's going on from the charting angle. The first thing to note is history going to repeat itself? And by me saying this, I have no idea. But it's something to consider. The chart has been here before. You can see here, made a nice upwards move, and then things just basically ran out of gas. Here, today, I think separated it from this point because last time, it had 3 green bars, and then, that one big one, then things ran out of gas. But here was that big green bar, and then today, another big green one. So maybe this chart is ready to break out of its past trend in terms of history, but it has happened before. But the good news is with charting, it'll be easy to figure out and easy to measure the strength of this move. And the way to do that is just to follow our levels of support. So the first level of support that was established today, it was a resistance going in today, but just basic technical analysis, when a resistance is broken, it becomes a support, is right up here, this previous high at 0033. So 0033, newest kid on the block in terms of support levels. And I'm going to leave this line skinny because if the price does drop below it and close below it, not the end of the world, because you still do have all sorts of other levels of support below you. The next level of support I want to talk about is me just kind of eyeballing, but hopefully it'll make sense when I explain where it's coming from. And that level is going to be here at, we'll call 0.0027. And that's coming from, first let's get this changed to green, but if you look back here through the price history, you can see lots of price history right around this area as support. When the price dropped below it, you can see acted as resistance a couple of times, but back here in October, price bounced right off and right around this area multiple times. So 0027 will be the next area of support, and then the one that has to hold, no excuses, nothing, is going to be this yellow line here. This is the 200-day simple moving average, a very important moving average in the world of charts. And I'm not saying it'll get tested, but if it does get tested, and if this is a true, genuine, strong move, then this level down here at 0021 should have no problems holding. Again, I'm not saying it will be tested, but if it does, and if it is, it really does need to hold because, like I said, within the world of charts, this is a key moving average. In terms of resistance levels, the one that the price did break above today, but couldn't quite hold above it, therefore it's still a level of resistance, is that 0039, 004 if you want to call it. You can see back here the price history revolving around that point. So this will be the current level of resistance, and it's a good sign when you have to go all the way back here to October to figure out where levels of resistance are. So all in all, very nice move. Now it's just a matter of seeing if it can hold up on any sort of consolidation or if it's just going to keep on rocketing upwards. But the next level you want to get some closes above is going to be this 004, and then obviously where the profit taker stepped in today up here at 0045. But overall, great looking chart. It'll be interesting to see how the rest of this week goes. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and make an investment into your trading education, I'd encourage you to check out our course down there, over 8.5 hours of video. Been getting good third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to not take our word for it. Read the third-party reviews and testimonials, and then hopefully you'll decide to better yourself as a trader and check it out. Again, this was RFMK. Thanks for listening.